Okay, so the Lord of the Rings here has been removed. I got help from a friend that was working. There's a special players that he had that had more reach. It's more of a general purpose players, and he was able to separate it far enough to where we could kind of jam. I think it was this guy. We jammed it underneath when the ring was separated enough, and we were able to kind of go around and peel it loose. And so now it is free from the body. So I need to figure out if I want to put some PB blaster in there, or if I just want to get some leverage now that this has all been dismantled. I need to clamp this to a piece of wood maybe, and then put on like a 2x6 to get some leverage, I think, and start maybe seeing if this breaks loose and if I can wiggle it off. So more to follow. I'm just super curious about what's inside of here, and I'm kind of fascinated with vices because they give us this, the power of grabbing something, but they do it in such a like a so much stronger manner that it really changes our ability to work with tools and shape things. So I want to see it restored to its most glorious version. And I'm just super curious about how the mechanism in here works. I just want to make sure that it isn't broken in case I do decide to sell it to somebody. I want to know that this rotational mechanism, I want to know how it works, and I want to know that it isn't busted in case I sell it to somebody. I don't want to give them a bad thing, a bad product. I mean, I didn't make it, but I just want to make sure it's all functional. And just super curious about how this got thought up.